Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, for those of you who do not know me. Hi, welcome. Thank you for stopping by today. I know, why am I wearing a sheet mask? If you saw the title of this video, it's me going through my skincare routine. I'm going to do my morning and my night skincare routine here on camera for you guys, so you can see the products I use and how I use them. I've had a couple of subscribers recently kind of mention that they want to see what my skincare routine is, so here we go. The first thing I do, if I have time in the morning, this thing's going to fall off as I'm talking, is I will wear a sheet mask for the 20 minutes it's supposed to be on. This one has been on well over 20 minutes now at this point, so it's ready to come off. But I've been using these Dermal Collagen Essence masks, and I really like them. This one's mild health and firming, and it's grape, and it kind of smells like grape, and I kind of like that. I have hundreds of these. I love sheet masks. I collect sheet masks. I have a sheet mask problem. But with that being said, I do sheet masks 1 to 2 times a week. Usually if I have time, I like to do sheet masks just because they feel good on my skin. I usually wash my face prior to wearing a sheet mask, so that's already been done. I'm going to go through my morning routine. I'm going to be talking about other things I also do because I can't do all of these masks on camera. My face would hate me afterwards. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this. So one of my big major things, and you wrote this one in, with skincare is I like affordable products. So there might be a couple of like more expensive, but I typically like the more affordable. If I can find it at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, I'm good. Or Amazon. Amazon is my friend. So now that my sheet mask is done, I'm gonna talk quickly about like washing my face and what I do. So today I actually used this Equate Beauty Polish and Radiant Facial Scrub. I really like this. It is very similar, in my opinion, to the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. It's not as harsh though, and I kind of like that, because instead of using that one every few days, I can use every, 3 to 4 days. So with that one, I use this every 2 days because it's not as harsh and I like to exfoliate my skin. And now that I'm talking about skincare, look what popped up. I always get fun. But I use this today. If I'm not using this, and I only use this in the morning, I don't use it at night. If I'm not using that, I will use this, which is my Equate Daily Facial Cleanser, which is compared to the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. So I use this morning and night if I'm going to wash my face. I also have an e.l.f. one, but that one's almost used up, and I've been reaching for this a lot more lately. So this removes excess oil, and it's for normal to oily skin. And I have normal to dry skin. Right now it's more in the normal range, and because it's summer here in Arizona, I get sweaty and my face just wants to melt off. So the first thing I use, and I'm just going to let you know, I just kept the spray bottle of this. What's actually in here is the Elizabeth Arden Normal Skin Refining Toner Lotion. I get it at TJ Maxx. They always have it at TJ Maxx. This one's almost out, like the bottle, but there's some in here. So I like to spray on my toner, and I'll spray it, let it dry, do its thing. I used to use the cotton rounds and do it, but I don't know, spraying it on and not actually having to touch my face is kind of nice. So while I'm waiting for that dry, I will exfoliate my lips. And this is the Medusa's Makeup Cotton Candy Lip Scrub. I'm trying to use up all of my lip scrubs. I have quite a few. This one is really messy though, so we're going to make a mess. It looked like I just stuck my face in like something. It was like, boom. Yep, that's how I eat things. Then I put on a lip balm. Right now I'm using the Medusa's Makeup Cha 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 Cherry Balm one. I also use, I have tons of lip balm, you guys. I'm addicted to lip balm. So I do that, and by the time that is finished, my toner is dry. Then I go in with a vitamin C. This is the Alluxe Skincare. This is the Anti-Aging Vitamin C Serum. I do about 2 pumps on my finger, and I just kind of place that all in all the areas I'm going to want it. So the key is to kind of really get it into your skin, but also let everything kind of dry in between. The next thing that I use is the Ordinary Argireline Solution 10%. So I'm trying to use up all of my Ordinary products because I won't be purchasing from them anymore. I have found a couple of solutions to things that I typically use, but this is for fine lines and wrinkles, specifically on your forehead, around your eyes, and around your mouth. So I will put enough on my forehead. I will put it on my eye, all around my orbital bone. And then right along where my smile lines are. The next thing I go in with is, again, the Ordinary 100% Plant-Derived Squalane. And this is just a facial oil, and you only need a little bit of it. So I will drop, and I will spread this oil all over. This also helps with, sorry, the dog's barking, with matte foundations and things. I'll wear this under, and I like to put this a little bit under on my neck as well. So while I'm waiting for that dry, I'll usually go in with an eye cream. Right now I'm using the Loreal Revitalift Eyes, and I take it on my ring finger, and I will just kind of dot where I want it, and then I will rub it all along my orbital bone. So for me, an important thing with my skincare is just making sure my skin is very hydrated. Because I really do feel like it helps a lot. Just with my skin getting so dried out sometimes. So the next thing that I do, so I have 2 things here. These are both from Advanced Clinicals, by the way. I have the Hyaluronic Acid Instant Skin Hydrator, and then I have the CoQ10 Wrinkle Defense Cream. What I do with these is I will take just 1 full pump of the hyaluronic acid, and then this I have to kind of open up because I cannot get that pump to work, and then about the same amount of the CoQ10, and I will mix these on my finger. And then I just kind of place it everywhere that I'm going to want it. And I place this on my neck as well. But I just make sure this is all rubbed in and ready to go. The CoQ10 is a new thing to my skincare routine, but I really like it. And I really do feel like it is doing good things for my skin. The hyaluronic acid is, again, just to make sure that my skin's moisturized. And the one good thing lately for being in Arizona is that we've had some humidity, so instead of it pulling out the moisture out of my own body and me feeling like I need to drink way more water, it's pulling it out of the air this time of year, which is kind of nice. That's one thing you have to kind of be wary of with hyaluronic acid, is that it'll pull the moisture out of where it can get it. Then I go in with a sunscreen. So this is the Coppertone Clearly Sheer Broad Spectrum SPF. Lightweight and breathable. Won't clog pores. And it does leave my skin smooth. So that's one thing I like. It doesn't pill up when it dries, because that is a problem that I have. And living in Arizona, sunscreen is a must sometimes. And I make sure to get that on my neck and then all over my face. So that is my morning skincare routine, and in all honesty, it really takes me, if I'm not talking through it, it takes me about 10-15 minutes. So not very long at all. Talking again kind of extends that time period because I'm trying to explain to you why I'm doing what I'm doing. But that is my morning skincare routine. You will see me later on, probably in my pajamas. They're not cute pajamas, so don't judge me. Doing my nighttime skincare routine because it is very different than my daytime. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my morning skincare routine. It'll probably be like 10 seconds that you'll see my nighttime skincare routine, but I will see you later tonight. Getting ready for my night routine, and look who's say, what are you doing? She was all comfy on my lap, and now she's doing the laundry. She came to say hi. Here's the little peaches. Okay, I'll put you down. If you hear her, she's going to be around while we're filming this night routine. So, now that I'm back, and it was like 10 seconds for you guys to wait, all day for me. So, before I get started with my overall routine, I just want you guys to know how I removed my makeup and did all of that. So I used these Equate Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes to remove all of my makeup today. I then washed my face with the Daily Facial Cleanser. This is the Equate Beauty one. And then I used the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution just because my skin felt a little rough. If you are somebody with sensitive skin, I do not recommend this, just because it does have quite the burning sensation. Also, if you're going to use this, don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. Okay, now that that has been said, I'm going to take the Elizabeth Arden that is in this. This is not the Banished Vitamin C Beauty Elixir, and I'm just going to use this to spray and tone my face. Okay, so after I toned my face and let that dry, I go in with the Astorwood Naturals. This is the Matrixyl 3000 plus Argireline, and this is an anti-aging serum. It also has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to keep my skin moisturized. And I place this all over the face. Once that has absorbed into my skin, I'm going to be taking the Ordinary's Alpha Lipoic Acid 5%. This is a serum that brightens and targets the signs of aging. It really works on texture of your skin. I don't use this every single day. I use this maybe once a week. This smells horrible, but it really does help my skin out. And I do place this pretty much everywhere. Okay, so once that has had some time to kind of absorb into my skin, I then take the Advanced Clinical Collagen Instant Plumping Serum and I put that on my face. The reason I use this is because it is a very moisturizing serum. I don't think collagen topically does really anything for your skin. To me, it's just more of a moisturizing type serum than anything else. So this next product is also from The Ordinary, and it's their Azelaic Acid Suspension 10%. This is the brightening formula. I'm not putting this on my face tonight. I usually will put it on every other night that I am not using the Alpha Lipoic Acid. Just because I don't like to put two different acids on my face at night. I don't want my face to burn. The next step that I'm going to do is take the Advanced Clinical's Tea Tree Oil, and I do put that all over my face. Doesn't take much. I do this because it prevents breakouts. And I also have some redness on my face, if you guys can see by my nose. So once that's been given some time to absorb into my face, I give it, I just want to let you guys know, I give everything about 5 minutes in between to kind of absorb into my face, just because I don't want to negate what it's doing by just mixing it with something else over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with the Advanced Clinicals Retinol. It also has green tea, aloe vera, and chamomile in it as well, and it is just their advanced firming cream. So I take this all over my face and my neck. Okay, so I know I said that that was the final step, but I forgot about my Badescu Glycolic Eye Cream. I use this only at night, and I'm almost out of it. But I just kind of dab it and go all around the orbital bone. I'm somebody who gets really dry underneath my under eyes, and I really find that this keeps my eyes very moisturized for the morning. It is also kind of helping with the wrinkles that kind of form. If I forget to put this on for like a week straight, which sometimes happens, I really do see a difference. So that is the end of my skincare. This is what I do in the morning as well as in the evening. I hope that you guys did enjoy it. If you do have any questions, go ahead and leave those down below. Don't hesitate to ask. I will do my best to answer. I don't know everything about skincare. This is just what I do for my skin. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!